if the door is going to close to exports to China, where else in terms of diversifying buyers is ASML going to be looking?
Well, the Dutch company you're referring to, ASML, is very clever. The door is closing with some of the more advanced equipment used to make trailing edge. So what ASML is doing is, okay, we sell you more of a trailing edge that doesn't require licensing or is not included in export control. So China has to buy more of these trailing edge equipment, more of an older generation of equipment. So ASML is able to benefit from selling some of these lower ASP equipment that is actually carrying higher margin. So the restriction is actually somewhat stimulating demand for some of the older generation equipment that ASML didn't have any demand for a couple of years ago. Now they're seeing demand. So it's kind of a double-edged sword. You put more restriction on a more leading edge, and then ASML could sell more of a trailing edge.
This is interesting, right? They're old stuff, old gear, which nobody wanted to buy not so long ago. Suddenly, man, it's in hot demand. And I remember we've talked about this before, right? There was a time when the market was so tight for chip equipment gear or chip making gear that a lot of companies were buying used or second-hand equipment. Is that still the case now?
Not anymore, because there is no more used equipment. All the used equipment has been purchased as actually the used equipment has dried up for maybe 12 to 18 months. This is why Chinese manufacturers are buying brand new, older generation tools. But I also want to highlight the fact that the defining end market demand due to electrification, electric vehicle, is very challenging. I'm actually being surprised how many new buyers or how many new customers ASML is seeing in China. BYD is the largest electric vehicle manufacturer, and they're making their own chips. Well, I thought BYD would be making their own chips. Now they're buying a ton of equipment from them now.